guys, welcome to Brown's Effects. So today we're going to learn smart money concept. So USDJPY has been respecting the smart money concept. What do I mean by smart money concepts? In smart money concepts, we need trap, we need fair value gap, we need an order block, we need a break of structure. You know what I mean, guys? So let's get to it. Let me just show you what do I mean by smart money concept. I need this kind of movement. I need a move here, market moving like this, then going up. We have a break of structure, price going up, then coming giving me a trap for traders, a trend line trap, and I need the market to come down. Okay, come in an order block and touch our order block. I need the market to go up this movement. This is what I mean by smart money concept. Let me show you what do I mean. I need a break of structure. Okay guys, we need a break of structure. We need the market to create some traps for traders thinking the market will come, go up. We need inducements, we need traps, lot of traps for the market to give us so they can chow traders who could take buys at this point. We also need a trend line trap where traders think that the trend line is going to touch, then it will move down, one touch, two touch, three touch. I also need an order block, OB, I need an OB with a fair value gap, an OB with fair value gap. Okay, so this is the simplest and easiest concept of smart money traders. So let's see how can we use this strategy on USDJPY, guys. Let me just move backwards. So as you can see, the market were moving downwards, but the direction changed. Which way? The direction changed at this point. We had this break of structure, guys. As you can see, we had this. Let me just indicate. We had this break of structure. Then we had this order block. Where is the order block? It's this one. We had this order block, OB. We also had a fair value gap, as you can see, which was mitigated. We had this fair value gap. We had this trap for the market makers, making a trap for traders. We had the trend line traders at this point thinking the market will come and do a third touch at the third touch and go up and stuff. But what happened? Did the market touch our order block, guys? No. Yes, the market touched at order block, but you should always wait for a bullish candlestick before taking the trades. A bullish candlestick must have more power than the previous bearish candlestick. So I couldn't take a trade here, but I should have taken trade here because that bullish candlestick has more power than the previous bearish candlestick. So my trade is here, my TP is at this point, guys. So the TP, it's the same thing happening. We're having again a break of structure. We have a break of structure. We have a trap at this point. This is a trap. Then we also have a trend line trap for trend line traders. got this trendline trap for traders. Then we have this order block OB. I call it OB, order block. Okay, we had this order block, our OB. Do we have a fair value gap? Guys, can you see a fair value gap? At this point, there is no fair value gap, but we have a huge fair value gap above, which shows us the markets, the buyers are there, they are strong, and they are making this thing go up above strong. Okay, so now what did I told you? We need a huge bullish candlestick, a powerful. So at this point, the market touched our point of interest of our order block, but there is no candlestick which shows us a powerful move above this bearish candlestick. I can see this bearish candlestick, but this is not a bearish candlestick which we should check through. It's just movement. There is no move at this point. But after you see a huge bearish candlestick and a bullish candlestick, you take your trade. So we had this huge, because it's also supporting our previous OB. Check our SL, it's here. My take profits up there at this point. Buy this point. Wait for the market to hit your TP. Just wait for the market to go at the point of your interest. What happened? The market touched our TP, guys. Touched our TP. So the market was respecting our old order block, but still it did respect our previous order block. This one. The same thing is happening at this point. Also at this break of structure. And we had this trap. So we have this order block. Let me just do this order block OB. We had this order block with a fair value gap. There is a fair value gap. The OB touched our order block. When you execute your buys at this point, your TP is where we had the break of structure. Our TP is here. Our stop loss, as I told you, we need a bullish candlestick. We should have entered at this point. Our stop loss would have been here. You don't want to just trade once the market touches our OB, guys. Again we had this break of structure. Then we had so many traps. We had a trap at this point. Then we had a trap again at this point, where market makers are charging a lot of people's money. Trap, you see. Then we had also had a trendline trap. A lot of trendline traders are here playing their games, Market will touch and go down. We had our order OB at this point. Order block OB. Okay. OB, we had our OB at this point. Then we also had a fair value gap. Do we have a fair value gap? Yes, exactly. We had a fair value gap, a smaller fair value gap at this point. But as I told you, we look for a bullish candlestick showing a power. We had this bullish candlestick, but I told you you shouldn't take a trade after this. But the second candlestick shows us more power. That there is more power. The buyers had jumped. So once that candle closes, you take your trade, your stop loss below that candlestick, your TP is up there. Guys, look at the risk reward ratio, guys. Just look, 1:5 risk reward ratio. Again, we had this break of structure, guys. We had this break of structure. Here's a bigger break of structure. We also have an inner break of structure. It's here. We had this break of structure again. Break of structure. We also have an order blow at this point. OB. Do we have a fair value gap? We have a mini fair value gap, guys. We had a fair value gap mini one. As I told you, we should have trap, we should have inducement, trendline traps and stuff. We have this trap, trendline trap. We have the trendline traps. We check your buys after a stronger bullish candlestick always. It's here. It's more power than the previous bearish candlestick. Your TP is up there, guys. Your TP is up there. So we also have this huge, as I said, this one is the inner break of structure. We have this huge break of structure at this point, guys. This is the break of structure. So what are we looking for the market? The market has created this trap. Okay, this is a trap. We are waiting for the market to come down, going down, having trendline trends, then come at this order block, which is here in fair value gap, then move upwards, guys. Give a bullish candlestick, then go up. So I think this is what's gonna happen on USDJPY. I'm sure, but we should have just remove this and make it a simple way. I need the market to come here at this point, then go up here, because this is an inner break of structure. There is no guarantee that this is going to hit, but this one we have a guarantee, So currently USDJPY has been moving in this direction, guys, this direction. Break of structure, trap. So every pair has different kind of strategy, guys. Every pair has a different kind of